designer for the Bollywood industry. Dresses for Anita, Govinda, and we have been designing dresses for Shatrughan Singh and Danny for 35 years. And of course, lot of other actors they design the dresses. So what do you?
Respected Sudhari sir, respected Committee members, secretaries, and the president, associate director. The reason I came here is not just to congratulate you, but it's also to pay a tribute to my two gurus. I've been holding back my tears. I've been good because when I came, if I come here, the last I came was the Platinum Jubilee. And two people will wait for me. One is Mr. Jatkar and one is Mr. Maheshwari. I salute them because without them I would have never been. Because their tears, their blood, their sweat, and all these people has made us what we are. We are nothing. You think because we are photographers or cameras, it's nothing. We have to be human first. I have not come here to talk about myself. I have come to talk about my gurus. Mr. Jotadi also taught me a lot. There were so many people that person who really taught me, you won't believe it. Humility was Sridhar. I respect him a lot. He touches my feet. I feel like touching his feet. Because what he has seen, I have not seen it. But I must tell you all guys here, I came in pretty late. And I came in because I was an alcoholic. You must know that. I was an alcoholic for many years. I troubled my wife. I was really, really bad. And finally my wife and my family took me to a psychiatrist. And he said one thing, the only way is you should be locked up. I didn't want to be locked up. I gave up drinking. And two things I will tell you. And he said you should go in for an intoxication which is more than alcohol. I took up photography. And I know about photography much before because I was with Mudra Communications. So I worked with Pablo, I worked with Adrian Stephen, I worked with Chilman Lee. You name it, I have worked with them. But not as a photographer, as a fashion designer. But I was an alcoholic. I gave up alcohol. But after giving up alcohol, I will tell you another thing. After I gave up alcohol, I had a fight with my wife. And normally I drank because I had a fight with my wife. And I thought I was very creative only because of my drinking. So I had a fight with my wife. और अगर मैं सुबह शराब पीऊँगा तो रात को चाहिए. I drank on a day which is very auspicious for all the Hindus. It's called Gauri Visarjan. And I drank it and I knew one thing, that in the night I will drink it. You won't believe it. On Gauri Visarjan, I left everything, went to shoot Gauri. And from that day till today I have stopped drinking. And I go every year and you will find me at Jubi shooting Gauri Visarjan. So most important thing is, as much as you are a Hindu, I am also a Hindu. I'm just coming back to this. The camera taught me to respect all religion. The camera made me human. You won't believe it. You talk about camera. What is camera? Camera is the third eye of Shiva. But you know, to find Shiva, it's very easy to say your Shiva mantra. I wanted to bring Shiva out of my camera. You won't believe what I did. I went to the tomb. I've shot 5 tombs. I fell at the feet of a Naga Sadhu, my guru Sandesh Anandji. And I pulled Shiva out of the camera. I've shot 5 tombs. I've shot Kamakya. You know, Kamakya is one of the most tantric spots in India. I shot it twice. And now that the goddess Kamakya, I mean, me being a Muslim is out of the question. The goddess Kamakya, sir, you won't believe it. She calls me every year. I get a ticket from Bombay to Guwahati back. Mrs. Shatrughan Sinha gives it. Because she knows, you know, like her, I am also a Shiva Bhakta, I'm a Ganesh. 18 years, ma'am, you won't believe it. You know it. 18 years, Mr. Datta Samant knows it. We have been shooting Lal Bagh Ka Raja. You ask, we cannot enter in the pandal. Everybody knows that this Muslim guy shoots Lal Bagh Ka Raja, but nobody allows us to go in. This time I met Mr. Sudhir Salvi. I was with a lot of foreign photographers. I asked him one thing. I said, sir, you don't give me a pass because I'm a Muslim. You know what Mr. Salvi said? You come and take the pass. See, this is Lal Bagh. This is the first pass of my life. I can walk into Lal Bagh Ka Raja any time, but I've only gone there twice. So this is what I do. This is Ramdev Baba. I have a lot of respect for, and whatever Hinduism I have been respecting is sadhus and all. You know, I mean, I've been. So what I'm trying to tell you, that today I just could not make it, but I had to come just to pay tribute to all of them. Because if I don't pay tribute to all of them, then my being a photographer is useless. This is all I want to tell you. I know all my respect for you. I could not be anything without you, and I'm still learning. And the last thing I will tell you, I got a gift. God gave me a gift very late in life. My granddaughters were born. I put the camera in their hands. I'm just telling you, I don't boast. My granddaughter is the world's youngest street photographer. She started photography at the age of 18 now. Canon 60D. My other granddaughter, she has shot Rajesh Khanna, I think she shot almost all the actors, and she shoots with 70. And you should see the attitude. So this is photography.
But there was a cast in the print itself. This again, family picture. Nobody is interested in competitions, submitting these photos to competition. What I suspect, in some senior section, there are pictures which I feel they are by beginners, but just because they have crossed 2 years, they have been pushed into senior category. So naturally they can't compare their pictures with senior people. That is why they have lost. Otherwise they would have got good picture. If they were in beginners, they would have got the prize. But unfortunately they got pushed into senior category and then they lost. Because they can't compete, obviously they can't compete with senior photographers. Otherwise, the competition was nice. And this is how a good portrait should be. You see, where the eyes are looking, actually this is the principle of the portraiture. Where the eyes are looking, there should be breathing space. More on this. If this girl was looking that side, that would have been a major flaw in the portrait. But luckily, or maybe the photographer knows what he is doing, she is looking this way, there is breathing space. This is a very good thing. Only thing, because you have a closer look afterwards, the border is not appropriate. Still, I was trying to be very, very liberal with beginners. Now this picture, very good attempt, selective coloring, very good attempt of this picture. But only thing is, it is not necessary that whatever comes in your picture, the whole alignment should be made. You can always crop the picture, and where to crop and how to crop, that is a skill of the photographer. Now here, I feel this should have been a little cut from the top. Immediately it draws attention to the face of the child. You see, it's too much of negative space on top. That everybody has to learn where to crop and what not to include in the picture. Now this picture, it's a very good, really good picture. As a travel shot also, it's a really good picture. Only thing is too much of clutter in the background. Too much of clutter in the background. If the photographer is here, now this should have been the most appropriate background here. If I had taken the portrait of this person who is smoking hookah, that would have become beautiful, because the color of the background and the color of his eyes is matching. You see, we judges have to see all that. Only his portrait against this background, it would have stood up like anything. But only thing, he has tried to include too much of clutter in the background. I mean, this is how the beginner will go into senior category. You see this? This model is looking this way, but there is no breathing space. That is what I just now said. There is no breathing space at all on this side. Again, the picture looks too crowded, too cluttered. Otherwise, very good, very sharp picture. The sharpness of the picture doesn't depend on the photographer, it depends on the camera and the lens. So the photographer has nothing to his credit if the picture comes sharp, unless he has got a very shaky hand. So sharpness should be ignored in the picture. The composition, the colors, how is the whole composition, how the elements are arranged, that is most important. Okay. There was one very nice picture which got rejected just because there was a cluttered background. I think that was from the senior section. Okay.
So thank you. Let me display the money.
I hope I was not too harsh on the criticism.
No,
They are all constructive suggestions, okay? They're suggestions, not criticism.
you must have really learned a lot of things from what we had commented, because he has a lot of experience. And most important thing, he talked about the tonalities, including the tonalities in color prints, because he used to do his own color printing in the dark room. So that is why he could speak with that much of confidence, because I know like he didn't like the printing quality of the lab, so he started printing all his color prints on his own. Chalo, now we'll
Excuse me, sir. One humble thing, if you don't mind. I don't want to put my 2 bits. When you are having an occasion like this, when you are having a great master, these are masters. They comes once in a lifetime. So I don't understand why you don't record it here. I mean, there were people used to laugh at me when I used to come here and shoot the old pictures. I've got all his old pictures. I've got all their old pictures. And if you want to see them, go to YouTube. 6 million views and no porn. So what I'm saying, you should record. Now, I sat over there, I was helpless. I have to record this, You have to not record it for yourself. You have to record it for posterity. People that will come behind you need this. This won't come every day here. Unless you want to pay 1 lakh rupees and go and learn photography somewhere else. Thank you, sir.